Who wants to get her glowing skin and looking younger skin back? So come and do this perfect mask all together. We are using sesame seeds. You can grind it with such a tool or you can use a grinder. We use sesame seeds because they help in healing skin and make it glow. Sesame seeds help the skin remain warm and moist. They are rich in anti-inflammatory properties that are vital in healing redness and other facial skin issues by getting rid of pathogens and other agents causing. So we grind the sesame seeds and it's ready. You can store it for many months. In this mask, we just need 1 spoon of sesame seeds. It's like a flour now, it's ready to use. Take 1 spoon of sesame seed into a bowl. Here comes our second ingredient, yogurt. If possible, use homemade yogurt. If not, you can use market yogurts. 2 spoons of yogurt. I'm going to add onto the sesame seeds flour. The lactic acid in yogurt, along with its abundant nutrients, can help exfoliate and moisturize the skin, lighten skin pores, soothe itching, and nourish the skin. I really like using yogurt on my face masks. And here comes our third ingredient. Yes, honey. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties play an important role in removing excess oil from the skin and cleaning clogged pores, therefore preventing the cause of breakouts like pimples, acne, blackheads, and whiteheads. It also tightens your face very well. Mix these 3 ingredients. And the last one, turmeric. Just a small pinch of turmeric I'm going to add. I really like the effect of turmeric. It gets its health benefits primarily because of curcumin, a bioactive component. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This glows your skin and it helps you to get rid of spots, sunspots, dark spots on your face. I like its effect very much. We have just used 4 ingredients: sesame seed flour, yogurt, honey, and turmeric. They are all easy ingredients to find. By the way, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Queen of Natural Remedies channel. Touch CC button to turn on subtitles and choose any languages that you wanna follow the subtitles. So go on applying this mask. You can use it onto your hands with a spoon. It is really practical to apply it with a spoon. Do massage and wait for 20 minutes on your hands and also on your face. First, I'm going to apply it on my hands, and now I'm going to wait for 20 minutes. You can do this mask twice or 3 times a week and get perfect results. After 20 minutes, I washed my hands and dry it and get its glowing effects as soon as I use. Lastly, moisturize your skin with your best cream. As you know, I'm using my homemade creams. You can look them in my playing list. It's okay now. Let's apply onto my face. I'm using a brush and applying it all over my face. Apply the mask all over your face, your neck, your décolleté, under your eyes, and do a massage and wait for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face first with warm water, then cold water, and hydrate your skin. Feel the tightness and brightness onto your face. And dry your face now. You will feel yourself better with the first usage. And lastly, moisturize your skin. Use a homemade cream if possible. Do your massage from down to up, and for best result, apply this mask twice or 3 times a week. Now I'm feeling better because I like using homemade natural remedies on my skincare. If you also like, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. I'm leaving some of my other videos here. Please watch them, share your comment with us. Love all of you, my dear friends. Bye.